Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ify Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Okay, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my frontal. I want to do my makeup, so I'm going to be installing the frontal. This hair. Let me just install the hair, and then we'll go into doing the makeup process. And guys, okay, so I'm going to say this. I have never installed frontal on my hair before. This is my first time. Praying to God to achieve a neat frontal. If it's not okay, you guys should not beat me to it, because I mean it's not it's not my fault if I don't get it right. But I'm going to be hoping to do a great job. If this is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always viewing my videos, and you're also welcome. And actually, before I go into that video, I'm going to say this: I'm a makeup artist actually, so but I want to do my glam on myself for the first time, the very first time. So I'm going to install the hair, then we proceed with the makeup process. I'm going to be working with this hair. It's already a hair that has been cut. Just stay with me here. What I'm going to be doing is to clean my forehead. The place I'm going to be placing the glue. So when you clean that, please, I'm actually going to be looking into the mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. Just pay attention and look at my face. I'm going to be cleaning my forehead with a spirit. So I'm going to clean because I want to remove any dead cells or any hidden bacteria that is on the face, on the forehead. That's the place I'm going to be placing the glue. Okay guys, so after doing that, I'm going to get my foundation and tint the lace, basically. So I'm a makeup artist. Okay guys, so I just wore the wig. This is me putting it on. I'm going to try and install the hair. Actually, I can even work with this hair like this without installation. But I already said I want to install, so I have to install the hair. Alright, so I just wore the wig. I have not installed it. I was just trying to work on this wig yesterday so that it's going to be good. Okay. So it's going to, I already tried to prep this wig and make sure that it's not going to disturb me this morning. So yesterday I was trying to do all the customization for the wig and all that, so that today, as is my first time, I'm going to be getting a flawless everything. Because guys, if this hair flops, that means my makeup is going to equally flop. I'm equally going to be praying to God so that this thing is not going to be disturbing the microphone. Okay, guys, I pray and believe that I'm not going to be using hot comb to burn my face. If I do burn my face, that means I will not be doing the makeup. But let's be hopeful. I've cleaned the hair, I've cleaned my scalp, so now I'm going to be placing the glue. So because I'm going to be removing this hair today after the shoot, because of that, so I'll not put so many of these glue. So I'm going to be using this glue. This hair is Love Beauty hair glue. Hope you guys can see Love Beauty. So if this video is not the best that you've seen so far on the internet, do not worry or beat yourself to it. This is my first time. I used to be behind the camera, not in front of the camera. Okay, so I'm going to lift. So before I lift, I have to mark where the line of the lace should be. Or should I even know where the line of? I should know where the line should be, right? Am I not a hairstylist again? Okay, guys. So I'm going to try and mark where I'm going to place the lace, as I'm not a pro. Okay, all right. As I'm not a pro, I'm going to try and know where the lace should be. So I'm going to be using my powder to, mark. So the cutting of this lace is the worst I've seen so far. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be putting like tiny drops. Oh, whoa, this is not tiny drops.
change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change
As
my
I'm now
mind,
going
maybe
to,
elevate.
scatter the glue. Honestly, this glue is very small. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to scatter the glue. Where I'm equally trying to put small, so I will not put too much. And I'm now going to go over and place the glue this side as well. Well, this is not small. I'm supposed to put small. I've packed too much. Let me see. Let me take it this way. This thing have come in front of my head. So the thing is doing me like I'm doing left hand. Why? I'm trying to avoid the glue getting into my hair because now I'm on low force. And it will not come and shock my front hair. But the thing I've entered the front hair already. Nothing can be done right now. I think I've entered my hair. If yes, this you should have go to somebody to lay your frontal. You decide to lay by yourself. Why am
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
then I'm not going to put too much glue because I'm going to be removing the hair after this. I'm not carrying. It's not by force.
Me, there's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
I'm going to be using my brush to, press it down on my face. I swear to God, tell you. I'm just trying to make sure that everything. I'm going to lift these places. See these places that didn't lay very well. I intentionally left them. So let me go back and lay it again.
But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Actually added that, see if they are covering. Woo! 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 It's covered. Ha ha ha. Yo. Oh my word, can you see? I like the frontal. Miriam, I know you are not laughing at me. If you dare laugh, oh my god, look at this place. I laid it to perfection. Alright, so I'm going to look because this place, I don't know if I added any glue here to start with at all at all. So I'm going to go ahead and put enough here.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days.
The NEPA just took life. Like, how can I be recording my video? The NEPA will just take my life like that. What did they expect me to do? Now I have a very big generator that is making so much noise. I don't even know how bad the noise is affecting this video. In as much as I know my recording microphone alters background voice, but even at that, the NEPA should not be taking like when somebody is screaming, right? That is why most of us opt for voiceover. At least in voiceover, even if they take their life, they can continue tomorrow. Because voiceover, you don't need like, go baby, go baby. Oh my god. Who is laughing in my video? Oh my god, I like the Frontal. In fact, all these people that used to do Frontal, they should come and start learning work from me. Yes. Yes. Are you sure I'll remove this week today? I don't think so. Okay, guys, so I'm continue. I keep in the tape, I just keep adding glue there to, cover up those tracks, track record, according to some people in Nigeria. And I'm taking very tiny. I don't want to put glue that would come out when I'm now doing my makeup and it's going to come and start disturbing my foundation. Okay, you see this place is still up. I don't think I've added glue there, so I'm going to take a bit more. Wait, that place I just added glue now. I think there should be no glue there. I'm hoping that this thing is not altering my microphone because professional hairstylists like me cannot have her audio behaving like oh. Go baby, go baby. Can you see? Can you stop? Can you see? My first time of installing, and this is what I got. First timer installer. Yes, guys. I believe it's not going to leave. If it leaves, you blame it on my being away. I just saw somewhere that's already lifting. What is wrong with this place? Huh? Boy, what is wrong with you? Can't you respect yourself? Down? Oh, I don't care what I'm saying. Anyway, at this point, the girl cannot try to get by herself. I promised myself that I'm going to do this hair myself, so no help from no one. This is not allowing me to tie. Oh, if you know the type of hair I'm packing at the back, shit, this one is not good. Mm. This one. Okay. It feels like somebody's laughing at me. Okay, guys. Oh my god. She's a diva. So we're going to wait for the hair for a while before I lose and then style, do whatever, and then I move on to the makeup because we don't have so much time. The back, I'm going to lose this. I'm going to tie it back later. So I'll do before the makeup. Let me just style and oh my god. Oh my god. He said the hairstylist. Who's your guy? Not only me one lie. Okay, so I have to while I wait, I'm going to be using this wax stick to do the needful. So I pray at this point, if I equally succeed at this point, I know that the Lord is with me. I don't use this thing to scatter my brain. Hey, hey. Mwah. Okay, mad. The child of God. Thy kingdom come. Hallowed be your name. Hey. And who is that person that is laughing? Huh? Yeah, nah, the thing cost me now. Coiling my baby hair. I just brought out the hair I'm going to be using for that because I want to tie this thing down so that I can, arrange the hair. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be using this product. I swear. I'm hoping if I try this baby hair thing because I've never ever tried to, make a baby hair on my head. I've never fixed hair before, chocolate of trying to do it on myself. Hey, hello, Mele. I'm being rough. So let me try and hold this place down because this place is disturbing my life. Record them out. They came to join. Okay. God is not getting it. Oh.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything.
It's becoming obvious to the girl doing the baby hair that she might never get it right. Oh gosh.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
I don't know why some of the hair is even. Ah, I think I got it. Whether it's good or bad, though, I'm going to manage it like this. Okay, we got it. I don't care if it's bad. I think I cannot do this in this side. I think I can. I think I cannot. Oops. And there. I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think there's something I'm missing, honestly. Why is he not even being obedient at all to me? Why is he so stubborn? He's a very stubborn idiot. The ages is damn stubborn. You should stop playing with him. You see this side, it's going to be like this. No, it cannot be like this. That's it is looking like a mad woman. Hi, God, this is bad. The professional that have been laughing and enjoying. I think she's about to settle for less. Like something that some human being installed as in my business. I'm going to cover it like this. Yeah, so it will not be obvious. I'll cover this one too. And try it. The hair down here. Edges down here, but I did not because I'm tired. Besides, it's not going to show. Water and that's what I'm using. Just I mix it with water. It's inside this place. Yeah, I'm just going to spray on it and then practically moisturizing the hair and make it look good again so that I can pack it and get ready for makeup.
Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want,
I am good to go at this point. Okay, so I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and then come back so that I'll lose this and you guys will see the outcome. Plus, this thing is paining me here. I'm going to lose it. Okay, I cannot carry something that is giving me discomfort in this life. This is better. Yeah. See you when I see you. Actually, it's the end of the video. Let me look at myself. I'm going to first of all, let me lose this band. Hey, oh my god, I've entered into transition.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Hi. Can you guys remember?
In a hard place, do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there?
Hoping that I'm not going to burn my face because it is too hot.
Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Okay.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
I'll give it